come and open with you.
During the second graduation at Kaimosi Friends University, stakeholders were urged to help the newly created institutions grow. The acting Vice Chancellor, Professor Nadi, expressed delight for the university's second graduation ceremony. Professor Nadi led the calls to local residents and leaders to support the new institution. The Vice Chancellor urged both local and international investors to invest in and around Kaimosi. He also urged students to apply to join the institution.
I don't know if he's here today. Yeah, Dr. Peter Karanja.
It's a big agenda for Africa. But I'm just...
Market this university. Don't preach noise. Don't preach hatred. Don't preach ethnicity. Market this university so that the university can grow. The university depends on the numbers. The funding of the university lies on the numbers. So if you have no money, there will be no students here, there will be no money here, there will be no development. So my appeal to the local people is that support this university. The graduates, I want to tell you that we are very proud of you. You are careful, and when you go out there, we want to encourage you to think outside the box. It's only those thinking outside the box who are able to make it. So as you go out there, work hard.
Congratulations to the university for strategically choosing health sciences as its niche area, aligning with the escalating global demand for expertise in this field. This dedication is a testament to your foresight and commitment to meeting the evolving needs of the world.
The youth urged to embrace innovation to solve African problems.